Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to start a new lesson of standard 3 and our subject is English and lesson number is 6 and name of the lesson is The Ignorant Man. Name of the lesson is The Ignorant Man. Now, who is ignorant man? Ignorant means to ignore something. किसी चीज के लिए ना बोल देना. I don't like to do that. That is the inner feeling from in our heart that you got homework. For an example, you got homework in 3 subjects. आपको homework मिला है स्कूल से. In how many subjects? In 3 subjects. And you want to do the homework of only one subject. हमें तो homework किसका करना है? Only of one subject. So what we are going to say, hey, आज अभी नहीं करते, बाद में करेंगे. We are going to do afterwards. It means we are ignoring few things from our heart. जो हम अपने आप ही कुछ चीजों को इग्नोर कर देते हैं. नो आई डोंट लाइक दिस, आई डोंट लाइक दैट. That is called the ignorance. And over here, our story is about a person who was ignorant. What he used to do, the inside feeling, what he was having, he used to hide them inside. He doesn't express them. उसकी जो कुछ फीलिंग्स होती थी वो अंदर ही अंदर रखता था, उसको बाहर निकाल नहीं पाता था. So let's get started now. The Ignorant Man. It is a story about a milkman. It is a story about a milkman. Do you all know what is a milkman? Milkman is a person who delivers milk at your house. Milkman is a person who delivers milk at your house. Milkman कौन होता है? जो हमारे हाउस में क्या लाता है? मिल्क लेके आता है. So that is known as the milkman. In our story there is also a milkman and his name was Kanhaiya. What is his name? His name was Kanhaiya. Together we are going to write heartbeats also. So let's start. H-A-R-D, heart. W-O-R-D-S, heart words. Number 1, ignorant man. So first of all, we are going to learn the spelling of ignorant. I-G-N-O-R-A-N-T. Then number 2 is ignorant man was a milkman. Ignorant man was a milkman. M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Ignorant man was milkman. And then the third one was, his name was Kanhaiya. His name was Kanhaiya. Do you know who else is known as Kanhaiya? Kanhaiya किसको बोलते हैं? The name of Krishna Bhagwan. We used to pray the God and the Lord Krishna is known as Kanhaiya. Same over here, our milkman's name is Kanhaiya. What Kanhaiya used to do? He had built his hut far away from his village. Kanhaiya was a man जिसने अपना हाउस विलेज से बहुत दूर बना रखा था. He doesn't used to live in the village. He used to live in a small jungle. Who? Kanhaiya. Kanhaiya used to live in a small jungle. He built his small hut over there. उसने अपना एक छोटा सा hut बना रखा था वहाँ पे. What is hut? This is a small hut like this. This is a small hut and this is the door of the hut. This is a small HUT hut. And who used to live inside the hut? Kanhaiya. Kanhaiya used to live in the jungle. There he made his small hut. उसने अपनी छोटी सी एक hut वहाँ पे बना रखी थी. In the woods. Woods means in the jungle. जहाँ पे बहुत सारे trees होते हैं. Let me show you in the picture. See. He is Kanhaiya and here is his hut and here are the woods. वो कहाँ पे रहता था? Woods के बीच में उसने अपना एक क्या बना रखा था? Small hut and he used to live over there. Why he was not living in the village? अब वो village में क्यों नहीं रहता था? Because he loved quietness. What does he love? He loves quietness. So number 4 is Q-U-I-E-T-N-E-S-S. What Kanhaiya loves? Kanhaiya loves quietness. Quietness means what? As you are sitting in the class, so what ma'am used to say, keep quiet. Ma'am used to say na, quiet rahiye, don't make noise. Quietness, over here quietness means shanti. In a lesson, Kanhaiya wants quietness means shanti. He doesn't want to hear the people talking in the village, vehicles are moving in the village, so he don't like all these things. He want to live in a peace. उसको हमेशा शांति में ही रहना पसंद था. He do not want to live in the village where so many vehicles are moving, people are talking to each other. He do not like all these things. He like the quietness. उसको हमेशा शांति पसंद थी. That's why he made a small hut in a woods. उसने जंगल के बीच में एक अपना छोटा सा हट बना लिया था and he used to live over there rather than the noisy atmosphere. एटमोस्फेयर जहां पे बहुत नॉइजीनेस होता है, बहुत आवाज होता है, ही डोंट लाइक दैट प्लेस. सो एटमोस्फेयर विच वाज वेरी नॉइजी, ही डू नॉट लिव ओवर देयर बिकॉज ही लव द quietness. So we learn two spellings, noisy as well as the atmosphere. So Noisy, our atmosphere, atmosphere. Atmosphere means our environment. You come to school, you go to house, in between so many vehicles comes, and nearby your house vehicles used to move, so you hear the sound of that vehicles. So the atmosphere is noisy means आपको vehicles का आवाज आ रहा है, people talk कर रहे हैं उसका आवाज आ रहा है, birds का आवाज आ रहा है, so many voices are coming, and most importantly the vehicle sound. जो व्हीकल्स का साउंड आता है, कार मूव हो रहा है, स्कूटर, बस, ट्रक, ऑल आर मूविंग, तो उसका आवाज आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द नॉइजी एटमॉस्फेयर. दैट कन्हैया डजंट लाइक. कन्हैया को नॉइजी एटमॉस्फेयर बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था. सो ही वाज लिविंग इन अ विलेज. So he moved away from the village. Here was the village, and he moved away from the village and started living in a jungle. Then what happened afterwards? He lived in his hut with his two cows. He was having two cows. So he have kept his cow also with him. वो उसने अपनी cow को भी अपने साथ ही रखा था, and he was living over there. He used to fed the cows over there only. Fed the cow means cow को खाना खिलाना. Fed means cow को food देना, eat करने के लिए. So Kanhaiya used to collect the grass from the woods only, say as from the jungle. WOODS, woods means jungle only in our story. हमारी story में WOODS, woods means jungle only. So what he used to do? He used to live in the woods, and there he was having his two cows. He used to collect the food for the cows from the jungle only, and he used to feed them over there. वहीं पे उनको खाना अच्छे से खिला लेता था. Well, and took proper care of them. He used to feed the cows also, and as well as he used to give them very good care. Cows is an animal that needs your care. Cow animal, what cow gives us? Cow gives us milk, and milk makes us very strong. So but in return, what we should give to the cow? We should give good care to the cow as well as proper food to eat. Cow को हमें क्या देना चाहिए? Proper food for eating as well as good care. Cow का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, then only it will going to give us the best milk and the good milk that makes us strong. We drinking milk twice a day makes us very strong, while putting little bit turmeric in that. थोड़ा turmeric डाल के then we should drink twice the milk a day. Coming back to our story, every day he took his two cows to a nearby lake for giving them bath. Now what he used to do, when he used to take care of his cow, as we used to take bath in the morning, हम सुबह नहाते हैं ना, in the same form cow also used to take bath. So what Kanhaiya used to do, wherever he was living in the jungle, he used to take his two cows to the nearby lake. उसके वो जंगल में बाजू में एक nearby lake था, जहाँ पे वो डेली काउस को लेके जाता था फॉर टेकिंग बाथ, उनको नहाने के लिए. He regularly used to take the cows over there for taking them bath. Now the two cows used to give him more milk. Two cows used to give him more milk. More means ज़्यादा. Cow used to give the milk, but two cows used to give them more milk as the two cow used to give. Two cow जितना milk देते थे उससे ज़्यादा milk वो cow उसको देती थी. Why? Because Kanhaiya used to give them very good care. Why cow was giving more milk? Cow ज़्यादा milk क्यों देती थी? Because Kanhaiya was taking care of them very nicely. Kanhaiya उनका बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखता था. With the milk that the cows gave, he earned enough money to live happily. Now, the milk that cow used to give, what Kanhaiya used to do? The milk he need to drink. जो milk उसको drink करने के लिए चाहिए होता था, he used to keep with him. Rest of the milk he collect in the big buckets, big buckets that is being covered up from the top. बड़ी बड़ी buckets उसको ऊपर से जो top में से covered up होती है, he used to collect the milk and go to the village for selling up the milk. The two cows, the milk that they used to give, Kanhaiya used to collect that milk and then move to the village and then sell all the milk to the village people. Village people को वो सारा milk sell कर देता. And the milk that cow was giving and Kanhaiya was selling, he earned a very good amount of money. What did he do? He earned मतलब पैसे कमाना. So we are going to learn the spelling of earned. E-A-R-N-E-D. Now, Kanhaiya used to earn a satisfying amount of his selling of the milk. जो उसका satisfaction वाला amount था वो उसको rupees मिल जाता था by selling the milk of the cow. Cow का milk वो sell करता था and he used to get the proper money for his life. अपनी life में continue रखने के लिए he used to earn a good amount of money from selling the milk and to live happily. His life was very happy because the money he gets is all the needs get completed from that money. उसको जो भी money milk sell करके मिलता था that was very nice amount. अच्छा उसको price मिल जाता था. So his living was very nice because of that. उसका जो living था वो बहुत happily spend हो जाता था. He don't have to get worried. Now moving on to further, though Kanhaiya was an honest man. Kanhaiya used to go and sell the milk as well as he was very honest. Honest means जो हमेशा truth बोलता है और truth बोलता है as well as he is very good and sensitive person that he will never going to lie to you. वो हमेशा सच ही बोलता है. You have seen nowadays people are selling the milk. People लोग milk sell करते हैं, milkmen आते हैं. What they used to do? Half is the milk and half they used to put water inside. Like this people used to sell the milk. आजकल कुछ milkmen ऐसे भी हैं, they are selling the milk, but उसमें क्या होता है? Half is the milk and half is the water. Nowadays it's going on like this also. People are selling milk like this also. But Kanhaiya was very honest man. वो बहुत सच्चा आदमी था. He never used to do all these things. So we are going to learn the spelling of honest. Number 8, H-O-N-E-S-T. Kanhaiya was very honest man. Though he was content sometimes. He content, C-O-N-T-E-N-T. Number 9, C-O-N-T-E-N-T. Though he was content himself means he was satisfied. अब उसको जितना भी rupees मिलता था वो उसमें satisfied था. He was not having any problem. But sometimes he feel restless. Sometimes Kanhaiya used to feel very restless. Restless means उसको कभी कभी ऐसा feel होता था कि I am earning everything but कुछ है जो कम है. Something is going on. कुछ ऐसा है जो चल रहा है जो अभी नहीं है मेरी लाइफ में. And it was not of his earning. वो उसका earning amount से नहीं था because he was happy because he was getting proper money. He used to take milk of the cow, sell the milk of the cow and then he earned very nice amount. Rather than sometimes he used to feel very restless. Why he was feeling restless? Because he used to think that I am living over here in the jungle but it is very big place. Village जो है वो भी बहुत बड़ी जगह है. Few peoples in the village are like that. दे आर वेरी सो मच रॉन्ग इविल। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अंदर से बहुत रॉन्ग चीज फील करते हैं। देयर आर सम रॉन्ग एंड इविल इन दिस वर्ल्ड। यहाँ पे कुछ लोग ऐसे भी, एज आई टोल्ड यू, पीपल आर देयर जो मिल्क में क्या मिला देते हैं, पानी मिला के सेल करते हैं। दे आर दी रॉन्ग एंड इविल पीपल, मतलब जिनके माइंड में हमेशा रॉन्ग ही चीज चलता रहता है। वी शुड, एज वी यूज टू डू, गुड वर्क करने जाते हैं पर तो भी माइंड में क्या आता है, नहीं 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 अभी नहीं करना, वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट आफ्टरवर्ड। दैट आर नोन एज द इविल थॉट्स। इविल थॉट्स मतलब खराब चीजें हमारे माइंड में आना। बट वी शुड बी दैट मच स्ट्रॉन्ग टू कवर अप दैट थिंग फ्रॉम आवर सेल्फ। हमें इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए कि अगर हमारे माइंड में भी कोई रॉन्ग चीज आ रहा है पर हम उसको ना करें। वी शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट मच। Same Kanhaiya started thinking. Kanhaiya started thinking, this is very big world. इतना बड़ा world है. No one is over here to teach them good manners, to take care of them. इतने बड़े वर्ल्ड में कोई ऐसा है नहीं जो ऐसे पीपल का ध्यान रखे, उनको टेक केयर करे एंड टीच देम गुड थिंग, उनको अच्छी अच्छी चीजें सिखाए, सो दैट दे डू नॉट डू द रॉन्ग थिंग, सो दैट दे शुड नॉट डू एनी रॉन्ग थिंग। अगर कोई पीपल उनको अच्छी चीजें सिखाए तो वो रॉन्ग चीज उनके माइंड में ना आए। दे शुड ऑल्सो फॉलो द गुड थिंग्स इन देयर लाइफ। वो भी अपने लाइफ में कोई चीज अच्छा करे तो उनको एक गाइडेंस की जरूरत है। गाइडेंस मीन्स, से यू आर कमिंग टू स्कूल, सो मैम यूज टू टीच यू गुड मैनर्स, so that is a proper guideline. What we used to say, that you should get up early, listen to your mother, bow down in front of your parents. That are small small guidelines for you. Kanhaiya was worried for the people living in the world who used to have the wrong thoughts in their mind. अब कन्हैया को कौन से पीपल का चिंता हो रहा था? लाइक द पीपल लिविंग इन द वर्ल्ड, जिनके माइंड में रॉन्ग थॉट्स आते हैं। दे डोंट वांट टू प्रे टू गॉड, दे डोंट वांट टू केयर फॉर अदर पर्सन। दैट आर द पीपल फॉर दैट कन्हैया वाज वरीड। ऐसे लोगों के लिए कन्हैया को बहुत चिंता होती थी। देन मूविंग ऑन टू फर्दर, he was saying, is there nobody to guide the people? यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जो people को अच्छे से समझा सके, that you should not go to any wrong thing. आपको किसी भी wrong चीज में जाना नहीं चाहिए था। कन्हैया started thinking. This thought made him sad every now and then. This thought made him very sad. ये चीज वो हमेशा सोचता रहता था and he used to became very sad because of that. And what was that thought? That thought was that no one is there to take care of the people who are having the wrong thoughts. That was the thing that used to come to Kanhaiya's mind always. वही एक ऐसा चीज था जो हमेशा कन्हैया के माइंड में आता रहता था कि कोई आए ऐसा हो जो उन पीपल को अच्छे से गुड गाइडलाइंस दे, जो पीपल अच्छे से इन सब चीजों को समझ सके। मूविंग ऑन टू फर्दर, one evening the ignorant man Kanhaiya was returning home after selling his village. Now when Kanhaiya used to think all these things, when he feel restless, जब वो अपना काम करके एकदम फ्री हो जाता था, then these kind of things used to come in his mind. तब ये सारी चीजें उसके माइंड में आती थी कि people are thinking wrongly, they doesn't care for the other people, so there should be someone to take care of that people. यहाँ पे कोई होना चाहिए जो उन people का भी ध्यान रखे। These thoughts regularly comes to Kanhaiya's mind. ये सारी thoughts regularly कन्हैया के माइंड में आती रहती थी। Now one evening Kanhaiya used to go to sell the milk in the village. कन्हैया मिल्क सेल करने विलेज में जाता था। He used to milk the cow and after that he moves to the village to sell his milk. After selling up the milk, he returned back to his house in the woods. जंगल में वो वापस अपने हाउस आ जाता था। One evening when he was coming back from the village, जब वो विलेज से रिटर्न आ रहा था, after selling his milk, मिल्क को सेल करने के बाद, he saw one sant sitting under a tree. He saw one sant sitting under the tree. Now who is sant? Sant is a person who used to pray the God. संत कौन होता है? साधु, जो क्या करते हैं? गॉड को प्रे करते हैं। I'll show you in the picture. See, this is page number 40 and see, he is sant, the person who used to pray to God while closing his eyes. And he saw that one sant was sitting under a tree in the jungle. What he saw? One sant was sitting under a tree and his was meditating. What he was doing? He was meditating. So we are going to write the spelling of meditating. Meditating. Now, what do you mean by meditating? Meditating means ध्यान लगाना. Meditating means ध्यान लगाना. As in your school, if you remember, तो हमारे स्कूल में 3 girls came over here. यहाँ पे 3 girls आए थे जो हमको योगासन सिखा रहे थे. देखो, came over here to teach us few of the yogasans. When she was teaching us, what she told us to how to meditate. Meditate makes our mind very quiet. मेडिटेशन से जो हमारा माइंड है एकदम क्वाइट हो जाता है. एंड हाउ वी कैन मेडिटेट? वी शुड पुट आवर फिंगर्स लाइक दिस वी शुड होल्ड आवर फिंगर्स एंड लाइक दिस एंड क्लोज आवर आईज वेरी नाइसली लाइक दिस. एंड वेरी नाइस मेडिटेशन इज दिस, लाइक इनहेल योर ब्रीदिंग एंड एक्सहेल. उसको अच्छे से अपनी ब्रीथ इन करने का एंड ब्रीथ आउट करने का. यू शुड एटलीस्ट डू 5 to 10 minutes मेडिटेशन डेली. मेडिटेशन मेक्स आवर माइंड फ्रेश. मेडिटेशन से हमारा माइंड एकदम फ्रेश हो जाता है. सो वी शुड ऑल्सो मेडिटेट डेली. नाउ साधुज आर द पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू मेडिटेट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम until and unless no one comes and asks them anything. साधुज आर द पीपल जो मेडिटेशन बहुत ज्यादा लंबे टाइम तक कर सकते हैं. unless and until, जब तक उनको कोई बुलाता नहीं है, और they themselves open their eyes, जब तक वो खुद अपना आईज नहीं खोलते, or other people comes and ask them anything. Till then they used to relax and meditate. तब तक वो people used to close their eyes and they used to meditate. Most probably they are the sadhus only. In English we call them sant. Sadhus in English are known as the sant. And what their work is to do? Their work is to cover up the purity. कवर अप द प्योरिटी. जो प्योरिटी है उसको हमेशा बचा के रखने का. दैट इज द वर्क दैट संत यूज्ड टू डू, टू गिव द गुड थॉट्स टू द पीपल. संत ही है जो ऐसा वर्क करते हैं, जो पीपल को गुड थॉट्स देते हैं कि हाउ टू लिव नाइसली. अपने जो हार्ट में जो आपकी विशेस है, हाउ यू कैन एक्सप्रेस देम. संत आर द दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल दैट यूज्ड टू गिव दीज काइंड्स ऑफ नॉलेज टू द पीपल. संत ही है जो ये सारी चीजें लोगों को समझाते हैं. नाउ when Kanhaiya saw that a sant was meditating under a tree, जब कन्हैया ने देखा कि एक संत ट्री के नीचे बैठा है and he is meditating over there, then he slowly walked up to him and waited sant to open his eyes. Then what happened? Kanhaiya slowly moved near the sant and he sat in front of the sant. As I showed you in the picture, हमने दिखाया था आपको, he is sant and he is कन्हैया. He was sitting in front of the sant. वो संत के सामने जाके बैठ गया. Because why he was sitting over there? He sat there because he do not want to disturb the sant. Sant was doing meditating, so he do not want to disturb. संत ने ध्यान लगा रहा था. He was meditating. तो कन्हैया ने क्या सोचा, मुझे उनको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए. So he very slowly moved over there and sat there. वो धीरे धीरे वहां पर गया और वहां पे जाके बैठ गया. And waited for the sant to open his eyes. And he was waiting over there so that whenever sant will going to open his eyes, then only he will going to talk with him. Who? कन्हैया. कन्हैया ने क्या सोचा, संत तो भी ध्यान लगा रहा है, so I should not disturb him. मुझे उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए. I should sit over here. Whenever he will going to open his eyes, then I am going to talk with him. जब वो अपनी आईज ओपन करेंगे तब मैं उनसे बात कर लूंगा. Now he was happy to be with the sant for some time. Kanhaiya was feeling very happy when he was with sant for some time. कन्हैया को बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा था because he was sitting near the sant. उसको अंदर से बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग आ रहा था. He decided to wait there till the sant opened his eyes. Now what Kanhaiya decided? Kanhaiya decided to be there only till Sant you will going to open his eyes. Kanhaiya ने decide करा that I am going to sit and wait over here only till Sant will going to open his eyes. Moving on to further, after a while Sant slowly opened his eyes. After a few times Sant opened his eyes and he was surprised to see a man sitting in front of him very patiently. संत वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज, उसको एकदम सरप्राइज हो गया था वो कि ये कैसे है कि एक आदमी बहुत ही शांति से बैठ के उसकी बात को सुन रहा है. नाउ अ टाइम्स पीपल डजंट हैव टाइम टू सिट इन देयर हाउस फॉर फ्यू टाइम्स. अभी आजकल पीपल को टाइम ही नहीं होता है कि वो घर में बैठ के आराम से एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर सकें. एंड वो संत वो सरप्राइज कि कन्हैया वॉज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एंड ही वॉज वेरी पेशेंटली लिसन टू वॉज लुकिंग एट द संत. वो बहुत ही आराम से बैठ के संत को सामने देख रहा था. तो संत गॉट वेरी सरप्राइज. So what we are going to do? First of all, we are going to write the spelling of surprised. Surprised, what do you mean by surprise? Surprise means a sudden feeling that you have not expected. एक ऐसा feeling, कोई ऐसा work जो अचानक से हो जाए जो आपने expect भी नहीं करा हो. So surprised. Who was surprised? Sant was surprised to see Kanhaiya sitting in front of him. Sant got surprised because he won't even imagine, उसको विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ कि एक आदमी उसके सामने बहुत ही आराम से बैठ के उसकी आवाज को सुन रहा था. Sitting beside him, उसके सामने बैठा था. We'll write the spelling of patiently also. Patiently. Number 13. Now, what do you want? Asked the son humbly. Now, when Sant opened his eyes, he saw that Kanhaiya was sitting in front of him very humbly. बहुत ही आराम से अच्छे से उसने पूछा that what do you want, my child? Why you are sitting over here? आपको क्या चाहिए? आप यहाँ पर क्यों बैठे हुए हैं? Then I want to know what is the path of true and piety. Now that is the most important thing. He humbly asked. Humbly मतलब बहुत ही अच्छे से, बोलते हैं ना विनम्रता से बात करना. Very humbly, what is the path of truth? Truth. Truth. And number 15 is piety. Now, what is the path of truth and piety? Truth means सच्चाई. Piety means people who used to follow the God. जो भगवान पे विश्वास रखते हैं, भगवान का प्रे करते हैं, they are the people who are known as for the piety. A person who worships the God. A person जो God को worship करता है. So what Kanhaiya asked, as Sant opened his eyes, he asked him humbly that what do you want, my child? Why you are sitting over here? आपको क्या चाहिए? And why you are sitting over here? Then Kanhaiya very nicely answered him that I want to know what is the path of truth and piety. मुझे जानना है सच्चाई पे और भगवान के ऊपर, भगवान को मानना, उसके ऊपर चलना, उनके वर्ड्स पे, उनके वर्क्स पे. व्हाट इज दैट पाथ? वो रास्ता कौन सा है? देन वेयर शैल आई फाइंड ऑनेस्टी? आस्क्ड कन्हैया. मुझे सच्चाई कहाँ पे मिलेगी? वेयर आई कैन फाइंड द ट्रूथफुलनेस. सो व्हाट संत रिप्लाइड टू हिम? द संत स्माइल्ड. संत ने अचानक से स्माइल करा एंड सेड, go to the pond nearby and ask the fish the same question. She will give you the answer. संत स्माइल. संत हंसने लगे और उन्होंने क्या बोला कन्हैया को? कन्हैया, देयर इज अ नियर बाय लेक. यहाँ पे एक बाजू में एक लेक है. यू गो नियर द लेक एंड देयर इज फिश इनसाइड द लेक. हु यूज्ड टू लिव इनसाइड द लेक? फिश. फिश कहाँ पे रहती है? लेक, पॉन्ड, रिवर. फिश, वो प्लेस ऑफ फिश ऑफ लिविंग इज वाटर. वो वाटर में रहती है. So there was a nearby lake. Sant asked Kanhaiya that you go near the lake and there is a fish. Ask the same question that you are asking me. जो क्वेश्चन आपने मुझसे पूछा है, same question ask to the fish. She will going to give you the correct answer. आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. And what was Kanhaiya's question? Kanhaiya's question was that where should I can find the way of truth, piety and honesty? Means सच्चाई. Second one is following the God and the third thing was honesty. मतलब सच्चाई पे चलने वाला रास्ता जिसमें हम हमेशा सच बोले. And the second thing was we should follow the God. This thing he wanted to know. See, he was asking to Sant that which is that path on which I can move and I can follow my God over there. Then what was Sant's reaction? Sant told him that You go near a lake. यहाँ पे जो लेक है आप वहां पे जाओ, and there is one fish over there. वहां पे एक fish है. You ask the same question and she will give you the answer of that question. So what Kanhaiya did? Then he asked to do the, she will give you the answer. Then as asked to do, the ignorant man Kanhaiya went to the nearby pond. Kanhaiya जो एक ignorant man था, ignorant means उसका जो खुद का inside feeling था वो उसको ठीक से सुन नहीं पा रहा था, and he was not able to follow that also. The feeling he was having inside him, he was not been able to listen to them, और वो उसको follow नहीं कर पा रहा था. So as he was asked by the son, जैसे उसको संत ने कहा, same he moved near the lake and there was fish inside the lake. So Kanhaiya asked the same question to the fish. What did he ask? That where I can find truth, piety and the honesty. मुझे सच्चाई, piety followers of God and honesty सच्चाई मुझे कहाँ पर मिलेगी. The fish said, "Oh kind man, you are very nice man, बहुत अच्छे आदमी हैं आप. First, bring me some water for to drink." Kanhaiya was surprised. He said, "You live in water, but you still want water to drink? How strange." Now, what fish said? Fish said, "Oh kind man, आप बहुत अच्छा आदमी हैं. I am going to give you the answer. मैं आपको आंसर दे दूंगी. But first do one work for me. मैं आपको दे दूंगी आपका आंसर, पर आप पहले मेरे लिए एक वर्क कर दीजिए." Then what Kanhaiya asked, "Yes, tell me. What is the work you want? What is the work that you want me to do for you? आप क्या चाहते हो जो मैं आपके लिए करूं?" Then what fish asked? Fish asked him to bring water for drinking. What fish said? Fish said to Kanhaiya that bring some water for me to drink. मेरे लिए थोड़ा पानी लेके आओ ड्रिंक करने के लिए. Who was asking? Fish. Fish needs water for drinking. Where fish lives? Fish lives inside the water only. जब वो water के अंदर ही रहती है, how come it can drink water? वो रह ही पानी के अंदर रही है, तो फिर पानी कैसे पीना होगा उसको? So Kanhaiya was very surprised. ये तो बहुत surprising feeling था उसके लिए. The why? Because he knows this thing that fish used to live in water only. He knows this thing, that is the well-known thing to everyone. All of us knows this thing that fish used to live inside the water only. That is the well-known thing to everyone. But as fish asked Kanhaiya to go and bring some water for him, that at that time Kanhaiya was totally surprised. Kanhaiya was totally surprised. He asked, and he whatever fish was asking, Kanhaiya listened to him. But when he was very surprised, he said, फिर वो बोला to fish that how strange, you are living in the water. आप तो खुद पानी के अंदर ही रहते हैं, and you are asking me to bring water for you. Why you are saying like this? आप मुझको क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि I shall bring water for you? You are living inside the water only. How strange? ऐसा क्यों है? Strange means a different feeling that is not been expected. ऐसा कुछ जो हमने कभी expect ही नहीं करा. That is called strange. एकदम different सा चीज. As you are having your lunch, और आप lunch में, as you can say your favorite food, you have brought Maggie, and you say Maggie, is this a Maggie? Like this. That is kind of a strange feeling. So we are going to write the spelling of strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Now, why Kanhaiya said like this? Why Kanhaiya was feeling like this? Why he was surprised? Because he was thinking कि fish used to live in the water. Fish to water में रहती. Then also why it is asking for water from me? That's why he was very surprised. इसलिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा surprised हो गया था. And he said to the fish, what he said to the fish, that you are living in a water. आप पानी में ही रहते हो. Then why you are asking me to bring water for you for drinking? आप फिर मुझे क्यों बोल रहे हो that I should bring water for you that you can drink? जब आप पानी के अंदर ही रहते हो तो you can drink water. How strange. ये एकदम अलग सी बात, आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं? At this moment the fish replied. Immediately fish gave him the answer. You are right. You are saying absolutely right. As I am living inside the water, so why I am asking for a water? अगर मैं पानी में ही रहती हूँ तो मैं आपसे पानी पीने के लिए क्यों मांग रही हूँ? You are right, and that gives you an answer to your question as well. What the fish said? You are now absolutely right. कि I am in the water, and why I need a water? Now you will going to get the answer of the question that you are asking. That fish replied. Fish ने क्या आंसर दिया? By this only you are going to get the answer that you were asking me. आप जो क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछने आए थे, that what is the path of truth, piety and honesty. Truth सच्चाई, piety you can worship the God, कैसे हम God को worship कर सकते हैं, and third word honesty मतलब सच्चाई, इस पे चलने का रास्ता कौन सा है. So now you will going to get the answer of your question that what is the path of truth, piety and honesty are inside the heart of a man. Truth, honesty and piety are inside our hearts. हमारा जो heart होता है, we'll write the spelling of heart also. Heart. We all are having heart, but in our heart also and in our mind also, they are interconnected to each other. They are interconnected to each other. You know, heart pumps up the blood in our body. Heart जो है हमारी body में क्या करता है? Pump करता है blood को, and it circulate in a whole of our body. हमारी body में वो पूरा circulation होता है, and that gives the ideas to our mind also. उससे हमारे mind में different ideas are also used to come. So they both are interconnected to each other. Same thing, fish replied to Kanhaiya that truth, सच्चाई, that is also inside our hearts. Honesty, that is also inside our heart. Piety, that is also inside our heart. Means सच बोलना है, so we should be truthful from inside. अगर हमको सच बोलना है तो हमें अंदर से ही सच्चा होना चाहिए. Then only we are going to speak truth and we can be able to speak truth. हम सच्चा बोल भी सकते हैं और ट्राई भी करते हैं कि हमेशा हम सच ही बोलें, but we should be pure from our hearts. उसके लिए हमें अंदर से ही अपने हार्ट से प्योर होना चाहिए कि नहीं, I have to speak the truth thing only. Second thing, piety. Piety is that thing, beta, if you want to worship your God, whichever God you are praising, आप जिस भी God को praise करते हैं, worship करते हैं, that is up to you. It doesn't mean that you have to pray only God Rama, only God Krishna, only God Mahadev. No, they all are equal. Rather than you follow Christian religion, Sikh religion, Muslim religion, Hindu religion, whichever religion you are following, but you should give the proper praise to your God. अच्छे से हमको God को पूरा praising देना चाहिए. That is for God only. The inside feeling that we have to worship our God, that should come from inside our hearts only. Then only we can worship. Otherwise, what we are going to do, we are going to just stand in front of the statue of the God and do like this. This is the thing that we used to do. The same thing we are doing. हम यही करते हैं. क्या करते हैं हम टेम्पल में तो गए. Mother said, father said, okay, we are going to the temple. So we moved with them. हम उनके साथ चले तो गए. But what we are doing in the temple? हम टेम्पल में क्या कर रहे हैं? Nothing. Just putting our hands like this, joining our hands and closing our eyes. अपना eyes close है, hand join कर रखा है, and we are just praising the God like this. ऐसे हम अपने God को क्या कर रहे हैं? Praise कर रहे हैं. But does it coming from our heart? क्या हमारे heart से वो चीज आ रहा है? No. For if we want that thing should come from our heart. So we should worship our God from our hearts only, not from our mind. We should worship our God only from our heart, not from our mind. Truthfulness is there. Mind, heart, both is needed. Worshipping God, mind, heart, both are needed. Honesty, mind, heart, both are interconnected. Heart and mind, दोनों interconnect एक दूसरे को करता है. But that should come from your side only. No one other can bring that thing. कोई दूसरा वो चीज आपके अंदर नहीं ला सकता. He will or she will just going to tell you that thing. God के बारे में बताना, वो पर्सन सिर्फ आपको समझा सकते हैं कि whenever you are praying to God, pray them from your heart. अगर हम जब भी अपने गॉड को प्रे करते हैं, we should pray them from our heart. हमेशा गॉड को दिल से ही प्रेयर करना चाहिए. But you should be pure for praying your God. पर वो आपको ही दिल से अच्छा होना चाहिए, तभी आप अपने गॉड को अच्छे से प्रे कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट डू. अगेन, ट्रूथ, पाइटी, ऑनेस्टी कहाँ है? हमारे अंदर है. बट उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए वी शुड बी एबल टू टेक इट आउट. हमको खुद इतना होना चाहिए, डेवलप्ड इतना होना चाहिए, दैट whenever we need that feeling, it should come out. वी शुड नॉट हाइड दैट फीलिंग, हमको उसको अपने अंदर दबा के नहीं रखना चाहिए. देन ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू फील रेस्टलेस एज कन्हैया वाज फीलिंग. तभी कन्हैया रेस्टलेस फील कर रहा था बिकॉज वो सारी चीजें उसी के अंदर थी, बट ही वोंट बी एबल टू टेक ऑल दीज थिंग्स आउट. पर वो उन चीजों को बाहर निकाल ही नहीं पा रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट बीन एबल टू थिंक ऑफ दैट थिंग. ही वॉज जस्ट हैप्पी विद हिज लिविंग. वो सिर्फ अपनी लिविंग में ही खुश था. एंड वॉट वॉज हिज लिविंग? हिज लिविंग वॉज he used to live in a forest. There he was having his 2 cows, and what he used to do, he used to fed his 2 cows. Cow used to give him the milk, and he used to keep few milk for himself, and then rest of the milk he used to take to the where he used to take to the village, sell to the people, and he used to get a sum of amount, and his life was satisfied over there. वहां पे उसका लाइफ सेटिस्फाइड हो जाता. बट वेन ही फील रिलैक्स, जब वो रात को आराम से बैठा होता था, ही ऑलवेज रेस्टलेस. वो हमेशा चिंता ही करता था कि द रॉन्ग थॉट्स दैट द पीपल आर हैविंग, समवन शुड हैव समथिंग ऑन इट. उसके ऊपर कुछ ऐसा person should be there so that it can convey the people that how we can do these kinds of good things over there. वो ऐसा सब सोचने लगा. Now when he moved to the sun, what sun told him? Sun told him that you go to fish and ask the same question as you are asking me. Then he moved to the fish. Was fish replied, bring water. Then he was surprised. Now then what fish told him? Fish told him that truth, piety and honesty are inside our hearts, but we should know that how we can take them out. हमको ये पता होना चाहिए कि हम वो सारी चीजें बाहर कैसे निकालें. Now moving on to further. Now are inside our heart of a man, but being ignorant means the feeling of worshipping God, speaking truth and honesty are inside us, but we have to take them out. हमको ही उसको बाहर निकालना है. So it's up to you how we can bring that thing out. We are ignorant means feeling are coming out, but we are ignoring them. हम ही उस feeling को ignore कर देते हैं. Why? Because we don't have patience. हमारे में पेशेंस ही नहीं होता. We cannot stand in front of God while holding our hands and relax for a few minutes. हमारे पास इतना टाइम ही नहीं होता कि हम गॉड के पास अपने हैंड जोड़ के 5 to 10 minutes खड़े हो सके. Why? Because we have so many thoughts. As for an example, you can say for yourself also. You wake up in the morning early, mother makes you ready, prepared breakfast, everything is ready. Now ask you to pray in front of the God के सामने pray करने के लिए बोला. You went near the God, हाथ जोड़ के हम वहां पे ऐसे खड़े हो गए. But in the mind what is happening? स्कूल जाना है, लेसन करना है, फ्रेंड से मिलना है. All these thoughts used to come in our mind. अरे आज तो स्पोर्ट्स का पीरियड है, आज खेलने जाएंगे. Like this. Then music lecture is there. Kamal sir will be there to take us to the music class. These kinds of different thoughts used to come in our mind. We are going to move in a bus, तो मेरा friend मुझे मिलेगा. So when you are joining your hands and praying your God, हम hand जोड़ के pray तो God को कर रहे हैं, but mind में क्या चल रहा है? The things that you are going to do. Friend से मिलना है, sports में खेलना है, music में जाना है. So the connection between God and you that is being broken up. जो connection God और आपके बीच में होना चाहिए वो वहीं पे breakup हो जाता है. So whenever we are offering our prayers to the God, जब भी हम God को pray कर रहे हैं, so our mind should be in patience. हमारा mind जो है हमेशा patience में होना चाहिए. Then only we can pray the God. The same thing fish told to that man. वही चीज fish ने man को समझाई that you should have patience. ये सारा चीज हर पर्सन के अंदर, not only in me, this thing is in everyone's heart. ये सारी चीजें सब इन persons के heart में होती है, but you have to take all these things out. Now but being ignorant, he searches for them outer the world. Ignorant means अपनी feeling को ignore करने के लिए ये सारी feelings हम क्या करते हैं? बाहर ढूंढते हैं कि हमको कहीं ऐसा person मिले जो हमको God का worship कैसे करते हैं वो सिखाए. But no, we don't want anyone to teach you. हमको ऐसा कोई पर्सन चाहिए ही नहीं जो हमें सिखाए कि हमको भगवान को प्रे कैसे करना है. We can pray by ourselves. वो तो हम खुद भी प्रे कर सकते हैं. But we should be in relaxed mind. हार्ट क्या बोलेगा कि माइंड को कि माइंड रिलैक्स रहे. Then only we can worship God. That is the thing that can offer God very nice prayer. वही एक ऐसा चीज है जो गॉड को बहुत अच्छा प्रेयर दे सकते हैं. Moving on to further in our story, instead of wandering here and there, look in within yourself and find them. Instead of wandering, so first we are going to write the spelling of wandering. Number 18 is WANDERING. मतलब wandering means जो the thing which is inside us, जो हमारे अंदर है उसको हम सब जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं. It's better to find it in ourselves. जो हम इधर उधर ढूंढ रहे हैं इससे अच्छा है तो कि वो सारा फीलिंग हम अपने अंदर ही रखें. चलो, मूविंग ऑन टू फर्दर. दिस गेव एन इमेंस सेटिस्फेक्शन टू कन्हैया. ये सारी चीजें सुनने के बाद इट वेरी ग्रेट, इमेंस मीन्स बहुत ही अच्छा इफेक्ट किसके अंदर आया? कन्हैया के अंदर. द इनसाइड फीलिंग दैट ही वाज हैविंग, नाउ इट वाज कमिंग आउट. अब जो उसके पास गॉड को प्रे करने का फीलिंग था वो बाहर आ रहा था. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द फीलिंग ऑफ इमेंस. इमेंस मीन्स वेरी ग्रेट. IMMENSE. Immense feeling was coming out from Kanhaiya's heart now. Why? Because fish gave him a very nice lesson. Now, immense satisfaction to Kanhaiya. He thanked the fish and returned home as wiser man. उसने क्या करा? फिश को थैंक यू बोला और बहुत ही अच्छा क्लेवर मैन की तरह he came back to his house. Where was his house? His house was in a woods, jungle. He changed the way in which he saw this world as well as himself. Now when he got the very nice lesson, he changed his life. Uska life अब totally change हो गया था. Now he got to know how he can worship his God. Now then from that day Kanhaiya never felt restless. उस दिन के बाद से कन्हैया ने कभी restless feel नहीं करा. He took his best. उसने फिर अपना बेस्ट ट्राई करा to carry this message to the rest of his fellow human being. उसने क्या करा? जो उसको गुड थॉट मिला उसने वो थॉट अपने तक नहीं रखा. He conveyed that thought to all the people. The purity that we have inside us, how to worship the God, we should deliver to everyone. वो चीजें हमको सबको देनी चाहिए. Same the message Kanhaiya was conveying. All the friends accepted him as the master and the consultant. All the friends accepted him as the consultant. That is CUNSULTED. Consultant means for your good thoughts you need to go to someone for asking कि अगर हमें भगवान को प्रे करना है तो हम कैसे करें. But the person who is following God, जो God को follow करता है, he is having everything in his mind. उसको अपने सॉल्यूशन उसके खुद ही के पास होते हैं. If I have to do that thing, two thoughts are coming in your mind, but you should listen to your heart as well as to your mind. दोनों चीजों को सुन के तभी हमें उस वर्क पे फॉलो करना चाहिए. Same thing this Kanhaiya also did. Now he used to help his friend and he overcomes the problems of his friend. उसने गॉड का मैसेज सबको पास करना शुरू तो कर दिया. साथ ही साथ में he conveyed the good messages to all of his friends. अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को उसने गुड मैसेज कन्वे करना भी स्टार्ट कर दिया. एंड he was considered as the master consultant of his friends. अपने फ्रेंड्स का भी बहुत ही अच्छा मास्टर कंसल्टेंट बन गया. मीन्स people were having the problems of God, they used to come to Kanhaiya for sorting out their problems. Now lesson gets over. What we are going to do, just read the hard words together. What you have to do, ma'am will going to repeat it for 2 times. Your work is to learn at home. So let's get started. Number 1 is IGNORANT, ignorant. Again I'm speaking. IGNORANT. Ignorant means feeling we are having inside our hearts but we are not bringing them out. Moving on to next number. MILK, milk. MAN, man. MILK, milk. MAN, man. Milkman. Milkman is a person who used to deliver the milk. Milkman वो person है जो milk को one place to another deliver करता है. Next is Kanhaiya. KANHAIYA. I told you Kanhaiya is the name of Lord Krishna also. Over here in our story is about an ignorant man and his name was Kanhaiya. He was having all the good feelings inside his heart but he could not bring them out. Moving to next number. QUIET, Quietness. Quietness. Quietness means shanti. Who wants the quietness? Kanhaiya wants the quietness. Next is noisey. Noisy means the atmosphere where the sounds was coming. Kanhaiya doesn't like that place. That's why he moved to the jungle for his living. Atmosphere. Atmosphere means the environment near us is known as the atmosphere. Number 7, EARNED. EARNED, earned. Who earned? Kanhaiya used to earn a some amount of money while selling the milk. Number 8, HONEST. HONEST, honest मतलब सच्चा. Kanhaiya was very honest man. Next number 9, CONTENT, content. CONTENT, content. Content means the feeling of the God. Means God is giving you the feeling and you are satisfied. Satisfaction जो हमको होता है, that is means the content. Who was satisfied? Kanhaiya was satisfied with the money that he was earning while selling up the milk. MEDITATING. MEDITATING. Meditating means, I told you, ध्यान लगाना. Closing your eyes like this, fingers like this. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. That is called meditating. Meditation is very good for our health. Meditation is very good for our health. Moving on to next number 11. SURPRISED. SURPRISED. Surprised and unexpected feeling. कोई ऐसा चीज जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करा हो एंड अचानक से हमारे साथ हो जाए. पेशेंटली मतलब शांति. PATIENTLY. PATIENTLY. Who was patiently sitting? Kanhaiya was very patiently sitting in front of the Sant. Now BLY, humbly. HUMBLY, humbly मतलब बहुत ही आराम से जवाब देना किसी को. Number 14, TRUTH. TRUTH मतलब ट्रुथ मतलब सच्चाई. PIETY, piety. PIETY, piety. Piety means to worship God. Number 16, strange. STRANGE. Strange thing मतलब something is wrong. Means you are drinking water. आप पानी ही पी रहे हैं and you are saying कि give me a glass of water. You are drinking water, पानी पी रहे हैं and still you are saying कि bring me a glass of water. That is a kind of strange feeling. Who was having that strange feeling when fish asked Kanhaiya to bring water for fish? At that time Kanhaiya was said to him that it has a kind of strange feeling. Why? Because he thought that fish is living inside the water, then why it is asking for water. Moving on to number 17, HEART, heart. Everyone is having heart, and what heart do? It pumps up our blood. WANDERING, wandering. WANDERING, wandering मतलब इधर उधर घूमना. Over here means our thoughts. Over here, who is wandering? Our thoughts is wandering here and there. But we are there, we can hold our thoughts at one place. Moving on to next number, IMMENSE. IMMENSE. Immense means very great feeling. The thing you want, say as you are working so hard, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, and you came first in the class. एग्जाम हुआ और आप फर्स्ट आए, तो कितना ग्रेट फीलिंग होता है. Why? You work hard और उसका आपको बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला. Over here, Kanhaiya was searching truth, piety and honesty, and when he got the answer from fish, then he was feeling very immense. बहुत उसको great feeling हो रहा था. Then CUNSULTED, consulted. When Kanhaiya got the good message from the fish, he didn't keep that message inside him. He started conveying that message to everyone. Lesson is over now. The name of the lesson was The Ignorant Man. We are going to just revise whole of the lesson once again. Okay. Now, this is the story about a man whose name was Kanhaiya. What Kanhaiya used to do? Kanhaiya doesn't like the atmosphere of the village, the noisy atmosphere. So he went in the woods, means in the jungle, made a small hut over there, and with his two cows, he used to live over there. The two cows used to give him more milk as the cow used to give. The two cows used to give him more milk as the other cow used to give, and he used to sell that milk to the village people and earned a very happy amount. बहुत अच्छा रुपीस उसको मिलता था and he was very happy. Still he have the restless feeling. उसको different different thoughts आता था that there are wrong and evil people. यहाँ पे कितने खराब लोग हैं जो God को pray भी नहीं करते, truth भी नहीं बोलते. So we should find some solution. Then when once he was returning home, he saw one son. संत क्या कर रहे थे? गॉड को मेडिटेट कर रहे थे. He sat there. When Sant opened his eyes, he asked him that where I can find the truth. So what the son said? Go and ask to fish. Then fish asked him to water. Then at that time he was feeling very strange. Then fish replied him that now you got the answer inside you, that whatever you want, that is inside you. Truth, piety, ऑनेस्टी आपके अंदर ही है. यू शुड टेक इट आउट. आपको उसको कैसे बाहर लाना है वो आपको ही सोचना चाहिए. नाउ कन्हैया गॉट द आंसर. आफ्टर दैट what did he did? The feeling that he was having inside him to worship God, that came out, but it was not with him only. वो उसने अपने तक ही नहीं रखा. He conveyed that message to all of his fellow friends. Fellow friends मतलब उसके जो साथ वाले friends थे उसने सबको बताया. And his people over there make him master. उन्होंने उसको अपना मास्टर बना लिया कि अपनी जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम थी वो कन्हैया के पास लेके जाते थे उसका सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने के लिए. नाउ lesson is over. You have to go through the lesson, read the lesson very nicely. It is lesson number 6. Lesson number 6, page number 39, 40, 41. Go through the lesson, read word to word twice and thrice. Then only you are going to understand it very nicely. Thank you.